Being a small creator in 2026 might be the best position you can be in, and YouTube CEO just confirmed it. Let me explain. Recently, YouTube CEO Neal Mohan released a brand new blog and video revealing their top 4 priorities that YouTube has for 2026, as well as a whole bunch of quotes and insights for what to expect, what's new, what's coming in the future, and in this video I would like to break down to you what this means for small creators like us. So in this video I will be answering these 3 questions based on what he said. How important shorts are or will be for the future of your channel? How should we use AI to create a content? Is it too late to start a new channel? So let's start from the beginning. How important shorts are or will be for the future of your channel? I'm sure that one of the constant questions in our head at the beginning in YouTube has always been, should I make short or no? And we also heard the answer to this question in many different ways. Yes, no, you should only do long form, you should have a dedicated channel only for shorts. Let's see what YouTube CEO has to say about that. From niche interests to global trends, viewers are finding what they love on shorts, which now average 200 billion daily views. This year will bring even more variety to shorts by integrating different formats like image posts directly into the feed, making it easier to stay connected with your favorite creators. So it seems to me that shorts are going to be more relevant than what they already are. If you've been paying attention, shorts have been getting more and more real estate on your screen lately, either on desktop or mobile, which signals how YouTube has been pushing them more last month. And to be honest, they have worked great for me as a discovery tool, taking people from my shorts to my long form videos. And to answer the question, should you include shorts in your strategy? 100% yes. I know they work for me and for all the small channels. And I also know that, like me, not everyone has the time to record one long form video and then 3 shorts and then go and edit it all. So here's what I personally do. I will go back to my long form script and find parts that I can use as a standalone short video. A great tip for this would be to intentionally insert them in your video while you're writing your long form videos. I know already that this section is going to be one of my shorts related to this video. Then I will go to DaVinci after I finish editing the long form video, create a second timeline, reframe it to vertical, and copy and paste this section with all the edits already done. And all I have to do is just small changes and put captions on it. So this is a very simple way to do it. But if you have even less time, you can use AI apps like Opus Clip or vidIQ. I personally only have used vidIQ in the past and it gave me decent results. And I heard that Opus Clips also works fine. If you want to try them, I will leave links below so you can check them out. And now that I mentioned AI, let's talk about our second question. How should we use AI to create a content? Like I was saying, you can use AI tools for things like editing, come up with new ideas, summarize while you're researching for your new videos, and so much more. Even YouTube is been using AI in Studio. I'm sure that we all seen that Ask Studio tool in your YouTube Studio dashboard. You can ask for reports on your channel, suggest new idea based on the content you make, or even summarize your comments. So here's what Neal has to say about it. Just as a synthesizer, Photoshop and CGI revolutionize sound and visuals, AI will be the boon to the creatives who are ready to lean in. On average, more than 1 million channels use our AI creation tools daily in December. This year, you'll be able to create a show using your own likeness, produce games with a simple text prompt, and experiment with music. Throughout this evolution, AI will remain a tool for expression, not a replacement. It is very clear to me, we as a creator are encouraged to use AI as a tool to improve our workflow, and YouTube will lean even more on it this year. The way I see it, AI helps you to stay consistent by taking the burden of small tasks and leaving you with more time for more important ones. It helps you to create more content in easier ways. Now, there is 2 things that we need to know how to differentiate, and those are use AI as a tool and create all your content with AI. AI is not yet there when it comes to creativity, so always keep in mind that people come to your channel because of you, your voice, your personality. But if you create all your content with AI, you will be just reading a script with empty words. And I'm not telling you what you should do, but at least keep it in mind. And the last question, is it too late to start a new channel? And this is what he had to say. I'm often asked to predict who the most important creator on YouTube will be in 5 or 10 years. My answer is always the same. It's someone you've never heard of, and that person is starting the channel today. And that's what makes me so energized to continue building the stage for this generation and the ones to come. This is so true. Who knows, maybe the next Mr. Beast is watching this video right now. We have so many tools for content creation these days, like AI, and we have access to cheaper equipment like phones or USB mics or free editing software. You could start creating with just that. Even inside YouTube, we can choose long form or short form or the AI tools. So it has never been easier to start a YouTube channel. And if you're thinking that you're too old or too busy, we already talked about AI helping you, and I have to say that I have found many channels with people in their 50s and above with fairly successful YouTube channels. Even my mom recently opened a channel, and with 2 videos her channel is already performing better than mine. And if you think that every topic on YouTube has been covered, that might be true, but it hasn't been covered by you, with your voice and your personality. So don't wait anymore and start creating. And if you are interested to know if YouTube is changing my life with less than 100 subscribers, you can check this video over here and I tell you all about it. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one.